Hi guys, it's Nava Rose. Welcome back to my channel. So just wanted to hop on here real quick just to do a little intro before my quick mini series video. So if you guys haven't caught on yet, I partnered up with Boohoo to bring you guys a cute little DIY mini series where we upcycle and transform a bunch of different clothes. Today I'm going to show you guys how to upcycle an oversized t-shirt. I know I've done it before, but this one's a no-sew video and it's really quick and easy for you guys. So thank you as always to Boohoo for sponsoring this video. Boohoo's great to shop if you guys are looking for affordable clothes. Majority of them are under $100 and they drop new styles every week. So if you guys are gonna go shopping soon, I have a promo code for you guys, which is Nava Rose, and you guys can apply that at checkout. Any items featured in this video will be linked down at the bottom for you guys. And without further ado, here is this week's DIY video. Hi guys, it's Nava Rose and welcome to a brand new episode of We Got Renew Upcycling. Today's episode, I'm gonna show you guys how to upcycle an oversized t-shirt. Lucky for you guys, it's a no-sew tutorial, so you don't need a sewing machine. So let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is lay my shirt flat because we're gonna cut it in half. The top part is going to be your top, obviously, and the bottom we are going to upcycle into a skirt. Cutting in a straight line is actually kind of hard for some people, me included. So what I like to do, grab the tip of your ruler and kind of make an indent like this. What I'm going to do is fold up the edge about an inch or so. This is going to be our tunnel for our elastic. As long as it's stretchy and it's elastic, it works. We need to make sure that the tunnel fits this elastic. Then you want to grab your hot glue gun and just make sure you're only gluing to the edge, and you have to make sure that there's a tunnel, or else if you glue inside the tunnel, then your elastic won't be able to go through. You don't want to close it all the way just yet. You want to leave a little gap. You need that gap to thread your elastic through. Just wrap it around your waist or wherever your top stops, and just cut off a piece and leave maybe 2 inches extra just in case. Pin one end of the elastic to the entrance of the tunnel just so when you're threading your elastic through, it doesn't get lost. With the other end of the elastic, add a safety pin, doesn't matter how big. So you just want to thread it all the way through until it comes out of the other side of the tunnel. You could either glue them together with hot glue just like this, or you could tie it into a knot, which I probably am going to do instead because hot glue might come off. Just cut off the ends, tuck your elastic inside of its tunnel, and then finish gluing the rest of your tunnel closed. So this is the top. You could get started on the skirt. So we're going to cut this in half, something like this. It's kind of hard to visualize right now, but you guys will get the point. We are going to make a hem at the top with some hot glue. We're not going to be adding any elastic or anything like that, just going to fold it over and glue it. Now that we have the top hemmed, glue hemmed, we are going to do the same thing, but we're going to fold it in like this. So just wrap the skirt around just to see how much fabric you really need. So I'm going to actually cut it right here. I am going to add a little piece of Velcro right here. I always find it easier to just stick both Velcros together and then cut how much I need from there. So I feel like an inch is fine. Just glue one end for now. Fit the skirt around you. Right here works. So just keep an eye on where that marking is. Keep your finger on it just so you don't lose it. Add glue to that exact spot. And then you're gonna place the other end of the Velcro onto the glue. So after this Velcro piece is dried a little bit, just carefully open it up. I'm probably gonna do 2 inches this time. And you're gonna do the same thing. Stick that, and then it looks like it will end up right here. So what I'm gonna do is add a pin because it is a rectangle and you're fitting it to your waist, which is a lot smaller than your hips. You are gonna have some extra space right here. What we're gonna do is just fold it over so that it also overlaps. So that little pleat right here, all you do is just add some glue. You might not have extra space and you might have extra space. It's totally up to your body. And where this pin is, remove it and place it. Let that dry for a second. Just for accessories, I'm going to add these safety pins just like this for the final look. Your 2-piece oversized no-sew DIY set is all done. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little video that Boohoo put together. Again, my promo code is NavaRose. You guys could apply that at checkout for a nice little discount. We only have one more of this mini series left, so I hope you guys have been enjoying them. And until next time, I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you then. Bye. Ah!